Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to yet another video. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for coming. Please kindly subscribe, I could like video, share video. Like I said, bengishilo ukuthi ama videos wami ngizowasplitter into two. Ivideo bengiyenzile kaVuyokazi Nciweni and uChef Xolani kwakuthi inde kakhulu because I have to add ama clips lapho ke uChef Xolani no babymama wakhe kade behleba khona behleba uVuyokazi. Ngathola ukuthi my video and then it becomes long. Kwasho ukuthi manje kuzomela ngisplit in two. Ngasho ukuthi ngizoyisplitter ke bafethu. So let's continue with that video of ours ngoba sigcine sikhulumile nje kuphela sangasa add the other part of the story kade ngisrecordile. So I'm gonna insert it to this particular clip after this short clip yaka Chef Xolani, and then we will continue with the story ke bafethu ngoba ke sezivelile izindaba ukuthi usewaxolisa ke uChef Xolani to kuVuyokazi Nciweni nomndeni kaVuyokazi ngisho nomndeni wakubo wabuye waxolisa for ukuhleba kwakuVuyokazi and everything that he put uVuyokazi through. So ama videos engiziwabeka manje ngiziwalahlela on the channel it's about uChef Xolani and uVuyokazi ngoba besingeke senze video A1 and bafethu bekumele split into two. So there's gonna be another video as well la uChef Xolani axolisa khona ke kuVuyokazi. Wabuke wonke la ma videos landelela istory ukuze ungadideki, right? Thank you so much.
Wangiforce ukuthi angenze yonke even amalobolo bengifuna ukutshela leyo nto ukuthi amalobolo bengekho ready mina.
That's why waquleka. That's why waquleka Xolani ngoba wavuka esibhedlela wena.
Ngavuka esibhedlela before amalobolo. Asimmastise lo muntu. Ngifuna nje simmastise azaphume. Kanti ngimtshela ngithi mina hayi awuhambe mfethu awuhambe. Ufuna ukuhamba.
So ke kune story lapha bebebhalile futhi kazi moja by the way but Chef Xolani says he was forced to pay ilobola for wife. Now uVuyokazi lapha ngesikhathi elotshola a girl efa ku pink wakhe emuhle nje. The drama ke surrounding top Chef Xolani Sabelo and his wife uVuyokazi Nciweni, a reality star lapha kwingane zesithembu, is taken a nasty turn after their marriage came to an abrupt and following a whirlwind of drama that erupted online. It is clear as daylight that the couple is heading for divorce. But my question is, sebebonene yini face to face? Ngagcina mina kuthi abakabonana bakahlangana nje uVuyo noXolani. Sebake bahlangana yini? Hayi yabona indaba zalo bhuti Chef Xolani sengize ngiba nomunye umqondo ngithi ayi mhlambe kwakungcono kuVuyokazi edle kaMpumela Msele kumele bona lo west than the word west itself. Yesterday, Chef Xolani sent shocked waves with a viral confession claiming that his wife, whom he paid lobola for, pressured him into marriage, saying that it was never his intentions to marry her and that he was coerced. Today, uVuyokazi naye is confirmed imboneke kune statement esikhishwe nguVuyo ke mdakabawo naye ethi hayi ukhathele uyaphuma ke laphana ntonto. uVuyo kunini bemhlaza bakithi kunini bemhlaza uVuyo yile ndoda leno babymama kanti uXolani nalo babymama bahloseni ngoVuyo. Mina sembona yonke lento bayakha nje boyithu just to embarrass uVuyo because akubonakala ngathi uVuyokazi ke wathandwa kule nto yonke. Akubonakala ngathi ke wathandwa, is like bekudlalwa ngaye from the beginning until now nje. Ngoba phela zange ngilasi nokulast into yabo is like what? uVuyokazi confirmed to get their pending divorce, expressing that no one should stay in a marriage that doesn't bring her peace. But his soon-to-be ex is not backing down. She issued a statement to Vuyo confirming that their relationship is over after the chef cheated with her bestie. In the statement, she said she is still dealing with the betrayal of her ex. I'm reaching out to you with a heavy heart as recently this statement Vuyo deeply affected me. I'm a woman who has always sought to live my life with authenticity and privacy, yet I continually find my personal life in the public domain, especially regarding my relationships. Remember kaMpumela Msele kuke mdakabawo kwakuyilokhu naku kaXolani yilokhu. She said she has recently learned about the disturbing accusations and statements circulating from her fiancé, implying that he was forced into paying lobola. Ay unamanga loyo. She said the news have also taken her by surprise as she was not aware. Why phoqiwe ngubani ongakuphoqa ukuthi ushade umuntu ungafuni? This is nonsensical man. uthi yena she thought she knew him. Ngiyacabanga uVuyo mhlambe washesha jigelo kumshada ungaka amazi lo chef Xolani wesinani ngakabonani face to face nikhuluma nje like an online thing. Hayi kokungekho safe ke mntakabawo. These accusations have brought to light a side of him that I was previously unaware of, perhaps chose not to see. I'm devastated by the things that he said, and I'm struggling to process the emotional impact of this situation. She also acknowledged those who have been sympathetic to her. To those who have shown me compassion and support, I'm deeply grateful for empathy and words have given me strength during this painful time. For those who may feel differently, I understand that may often face a scrutiny, but I kindly ask you to consider the toll such personal matters take on individuals. So, she's betrayed. I feel for uVuyokazi. I'm not going to read all that from Uzimoja. It's just that I'm very sad for uVuyokazi. From Pumelelo to uXolani azodlala ngaye. Let us just hope yonke lento bebesenza nje isketch like into efana nje like angazi some movie, some akitsibi man, some skit or something, because no ways. There's no ways futhi nje ungashada umuntu nakabonani akunathanda kunani since lo bhuti ebhizi ngobabymama bakhe, since uVuyo eyinto nje yokuloke ehletshwa njalo nje embarrasswa kwathiwa nanga uthema engabakhokhela ipap held uVuyokazi wazongenelela wakhokhela. I think she was just being tricked into paying that money. It's not like uXolani usuke engenayo imali yokukhokhela ingane zakhe, usuke efuna imali iphume kuVuyo. Ngimzwile lapha ekhuluma athi ngizothi anginamali, sovele ngithi anginamali nje ngifuna ukumbona, ngifuna ukuba guys, like really your husband gossiping about you kubabymama wakhe like that? It's a 10 off mntakabawo. Angazi bafethu those conversation. I'm so sad for uVuyokazi. Akayeke nje akaphume, akayeke yonke lento kaXolani ngomsangano, akahambe yokhulisa ingane zakhe nje relax and angasheshi futhi ukuthola indoda just to prove a point. Just relax and just relax, okay? Like the video, subscribe, share, and yeah, let us meet again on my next one. Bye.